Dear listeners, today we gather to talk about a topic that may seem delicate, but when approached with the respect and wisdom it deserves, can be of great help to those looking to improve their sexual well-being and maturity. This talk is aimed at those with more than 5 decades of experience who want to better understand their bodies and maintain a fulfilling, healthy, and enjoyable, intimate life. Today, we will talk about penis massages, what they are for, and how they can improve sexual performance in mature men before diving into the topic. I want to remind you that aging brings many changes to the body, and sexual life is no exception. These changes should not be seen as a decline, but as an opportunity to rediscover oneself, explore new ways of intimacy, and above all, take more conscious care of sexual health. What are penis massages? Penis massages are a technique that combines physical stimulation with the application of controlled pressure on various areas of the male organ. Like any other therapeutic massage, the goal is not simply pleasure, but also well-being and health. These massages can help improve blood circulation, relax the pelvic muscles, and stimulate the tissues of the penis, which can promote healthier sexual function. In this context, penis massage should not be confused with simple erotic stimulation. It is more aligned with therapeutic techniques used in various medical and sexological disciplines to assist men who experience difficulties such as erectile dysfunction, decreased libido, or premature ejaculation conditions that become more common as years go by in traditional Chinese medicine. For example, it is believed that massages in this area can balance the body's energy, contributing not only to better sexual function, but also to a greater sense of vitality and well-being. What are penis massages from a medical point of view? These massages are beneficial, primarily because they improve blood circulation as the years pass. The rigidity of the arteries can affect the quality of an erection due to reduced blood flow to the penis. Applying massage to this area encourages vasodilation and relaxes the smooth muscles of the penis, improving the ability to maintain a firm and sustained direction on the other. And from a psychological perspective, penis massages can also be an effective way to reduce stress and anxiety related to sexual performance. It is common for men, especially from the age of 50 onwards, to experience insecurity about their performance and intimacy, which in turn can generate a vicious cycle of anxiety and dysfunction. Massages, by focusing on relaxation and well-being, can break this cycle, allowing the man to reconnect with his body in a more positive way and less pressured by performance expectations. What types of penis massages are recommended to improve sexual performance? There are several types of penis massages that can be beneficial, and some of them are used in urological physiotherapy or specialized sexological practices. Here I will talk about the types. Most recommended ones always emphasizing the importance of performing these techniques in a controlled and respectful way towards your own body, rhythmic massage. This type of massage involves applying gentle, controlled pressure to the shaft of the penis, moving up and down with rhythmic motions. This massage can help improve blood flow and strengthen the muscles that control erection. For best results, it is recommended to perform this massage in a quiet environment where the man can relax completely. Manual ring technique. This technique involves forming a ring with a thumb and index finger, gently sliding from the base of the penis to the tip while applying light pressure. This movement not only improves circulation, but also stimulates arteries, the nerve endings contributing to increased sensitivity. It is highly recommended for those who have noticed a decrease in sensitivity during intimacy perineal massage. Although it is not directly focused on the penis, massaging the perineal area, the space between the genitals and the anus, can have a significant impact on sexual performance. This area is full of nerve endings and blood vessels, which when stimulated can improve erectile function. Additionally, it helps relax the pelvic floor muscles. contributing to better overall sexual health massage with essential oils. Essential oils such as ginger or rosemary, which have stimulating and vasodilatory properties, can be used during massage to enhance its effects. These oils increase the sensation of warmth and improve circulation, which can lead to firmer erections. It is always recommended to do a patch test on a small area of skin before using them to ensure there are no allergic reactions. Beyond the physical benefits, it is important to underline that these massages can be a way to emotionally reconnect with oneself. If done with a partner, they can also strengthen the emotional bond as we age. Intimate life may slow down, but that does not mean it should be less. Satisfying penis massages offer a way to experience sexuality with more awareness, paying attention to sensations. The body and emotions. Additionally, some studies suggest that such massages may help reduce the risk of age-related sexual dysfunctions, like erectile dysfunction, according to research in the fields of sexology and neurology. Between 40% and 50% of men over 50 experience some form of difficulty in this regard. And techniques like massages can provide a non-invasive solution to improve the situation. Sexuality and maturity is an important aspect of overall well-being. Conclusion: although the body changes, these changes should not be seen as an obstacle, but as an opportunity to explore new ways of pleasure and connection. Penis massages are a useful tool for maintaining sexual vitality and caring for intimate health, and should be seen as a form of self-care, both physically and emotionally. I truly hope that this talk has been insightful and beneficial, and I wholeheartedly encourage you to continue exploring and nurturing both your body and your well-being with a spirit of respect, curiosity, and self-compassion. Remember, your journey with sexuality is not bound by age or time. It's an evolving part of your life that deserves the same care and attention as any other. With every passing year, there is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and redefine what intimacy and pleasure mean for you. Sexuality, like any vital aspect of our human experience, is not defined by expiration, but by transformation. It's about embracing change and approaching it with an open mind, allowing the wisdom of age to enrich every moment. So approach your body with patience, kindness, and an ongoing curiosity to discover what feels right and fulfilling, regardless of where you are in life. If this conversation resonated with you and you're interested in more advice, reflections, and empowering insights about maintaining health, vitality, and well-being, as we age, I invite you to subscribe to our channel Sabia Voris. Here we continue to explore these and other themes with a depth, understanding, and wisdom that comes from living fully and embracing every stage of life. Until next time, remember that the beauty of aging lies not in what we lose, but in what we continue to gain wisdom, connection, and an ever-deepening sense of self